What's that, mommy?
Ay, envelope mo. Mo sinaganin na. Bukata.
Oh yeah, open it so that we'll find out what is inside.
No, sinungadan nina.
I have the idea. I have the idea what is inside.
What is inside?
Be careful. Maybe what is
here.
inside?
Wow. Ay,
What?
certificate mo't gayang man.
Yeah. That's my certificate in jiu-jitsu.
Diba, ada diyain mo na?
No. The certificate that just arrived last January is my judo.
Oh, wow.
And that is my 6th Dan Rokodan Jiu-Jitsu. Okay? May 13, 2025, I am now officially 6th Dan in Jiu-Jitsu. Okay? So I have my 6th Dan in Jiu-Jitsu. I have my 7th Dan in Judo. What's the next target? Maybe my capoeira will come soon. We'll see if I'll take my examination on the capoeira, if I can still do my backflip in turning long.
Thank you, anak. You deserve it.
No, thank you, mommy. We need to frame that again. Yeah.
Alam tabo si Ilialam abo si Buina.
Tapos ikabit ay gym. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Bye-bye.